Hi, friends. I'm Annabelle, and welcome back. Today we have a full body mobility routine for beginners. When you are ready, we'll start on all fours. Make our way into a tabletop. And just start to sway your hips from side to side. Inhaling and exhaling. Just quickly warming up our body. And as you are swaying the hips from side to side, maybe you start to shift the hips around in a circular motion to the right. Going back to the left, up and around. Repeat that on the other side. Come back to center. Take an inhale, dip the belly. Arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale again, dip the belly. Exhale, round. Let's move through that a couple more times at your own pace. And come back to a neutral. Lift the right hand up overhead. Thread the right hand under. Bringing your right temple to the mat. Left hand comes behind you and overhead. Continue to move through this arm motion, going back and forward. Let's do that 2 more times. Place the hand beside you. Right hand comes back up. And then lower. Repeat that on the other side. Left hand comes up. Reach, reach, reach. And thread the hand under. Right hand comes behind. And then overhead. Continue with your arm swings. Going at a pace that feels good to you. Come back. Left hand extends. Come back to center. We're going to repeat our cat-cow motion, but this time we're going to add another layer to it. Extend the right leg out and dip the belly, arch, and then round. Point the toes up. Come back to neutral. Bring the hips back. And then forward. Back. And then forward. 2 more times. Lift the leg. Hold it. And lower. 2 more times. Lift. And lower. One last time. Lift. Let's hold that. And lower. back to center. Other side, extend. And cat-cow here. If this feels slightly uncomfortable to your body, that is completely normal. We get so stuck in moving our body in the same direction, just front and back, and rarely do we go lateral. So your body may not be used to it being extended to the side like that. So I recommend doing this class a couple of times a week to get your body comfortable with this movement. Go ahead and shift the hips back and then come back forward. This is really going to help open up the hips, releasing any tension and tightness that we have in our back and our hips. All right, come back to neutral lift. Hold it and lower. 2 more times. And lower. The last one, try not to put all your weight on the right side, but keep your body neutral. Lower. Good job. Lift the knees, hips up and back. Down dog. Right knee to right elbow. Step that right foot outside the right hand. Take a low lunge here. Maybe you rock. Do whatever you need to do to make yourself comfortable. Drop the knee. Right hand comes up. Open. And close. Hands, palms, or elbows on the mat. Open. And close. We got 2 more times. All right. Step back. Hips up and back. Other side. Knee to elbow. Step that foot outside the left hand. And just wiggle here. Releasing any tension and tightness. Okay, lift the left hand up and then lower. Ooh. All right, step back, down dog. Let's stay here in down dog just for a little bit, lifting the heels. Bending the knees. Shake the head. Yes. Or no. Step forward. Grab the opposite end of your elbows and sway the body from side to side. Place the hands on your shins and start to bend the knee. Take a squat and then straighten out the legs. Again, squat and straighten. Each time you straighten out your legs, try to bring your chest in closer to your thighs. Let's do that 3 more times. If you can grab your ankles, then grab your ankles. Or place the hands at the shins. Whatever is comfortable for you. All right, palms on your mat. Step back. And drop the hips. Bring it to cobra and bring the hips back. Again, cobra. Open your heart and bring the hips back. 2 more times. All right. We're going to transition to the side edge of our mat. Widen out your knees. Your heels and your knees are stacked above each other. Place your palms on the mat. You're going to slightly round the low back and then release, arch. These are very gentle pelvic tilts. You don't want to do too much here. It's already a lot happening. Almost like our cat-cow, but this time we're only working with our low back and our hips. So tailbone up 10 and then release. Good job. Come down on your forearms and just bring the hips back and forward. Just gentle rocks here in our frog. And then we're going to hold it, bring it, shift it back, and hold. Come back on your palms, bring them in gently because you might feel that. Come into a seated position. Bring the hands back. Your knees are bent at about a 45-degree angle. We'll drop them to more like, you want them at a 90-degree angle actually. And drop them to one side and then the other. This is a last one that we have. A quick mobility routine that you can do every day that's going to help with your spine, your hips, just all over. When you do this, try not to just do that, but really open up and then drop. When you come back to the top, open and then drop. You want to be intentional with this and take your time. Let's do a couple more. You can even release the hands to up it up. Crisscross, hands up overhead. Inhale, exhale, spinal twist to the right. Inhale again. Exhale to the left. Inhale. Hands to heart center. Exhale. Thank you so much for choosing to move your body with me. If you enjoyed this class, I have lots more mobility on the app and lots of other workouts, calisthenics, and flows. Thank you again. I'll see you in our next class.